Hi there guys, welcome back to the Farrington channel, and in this video I noticed that for the past couple of days that my mining rig was getting colder and colder, and then upon inspection it did turn out that the Finland node has actually stopped operating services. So that basically means that if you're currently connected to the Dero node that's in Finland at the moment, then you will not be currently earning or mining at the moment. And as I've seen with a few of the comments in the comment section, some people have mentioned that they're also not able to mine at the moment. So if you are currently in that situation, please make sure that you go ahead and change your IP address to just the community nodes or something along those lines. So I've gone ahead now and I've changed over all the addresses to make sure that I'm mining straight to the communitypools.myserver.cloud and then the 10.0300 for the actual port there as well. So now that I've gone ahead and switched all these over, I am now back up and running on Dero. And obviously, as you guys have seen, the hash rate and the difficulty and things like that have massively increased for Dero at this specific moment in time. So, please make sure that you are out there, doing your own research, making sure that this is the most profitable thing for yourself to mine at this specific point. I have found other cryptocurrencies that I am looking at that are potentially just as profitable to mine as well. But I'd also would like to say that at this specific time that I wouldn't want to be investing too much into the CPU miner rigs, so make sure you guys are being very, very careful, because things are very, very costly at the moment, especially with the power costs and how it's actually running at the moment. Also want to note as well, guys, there has been a few nodes and things like that that have gone ahead and missed payments and things, and I have noticed that they have popped into the Discord that if you have missed any payments, to make sure that you go ahead and contact one of their Discord staff members, and then they will go ahead and make that payment for you, and they have put the taxation ID and things like that for you to go ahead and look. I am one of these individuals that has missed a couple payments. I've noticed that I've mined for the full day and then I've received absolutely nothing into my trade order. This is before the one Dero minimum payout was a thing, so that is a bit of a shame. I know, I should probably just get into the Discord and go ahead and message one of the devs or something like that and just say, hey, I haven't received the payment, but I don't know how to go ahead and track all of that. And at the same time, I'd rather just get paid exactly what I was mining for. So at this specific time at the moment, this is very, very speculative. At the moment, I'm just going to be sticking to it for the moment. I have found another cryptocurrency to mine on CPU that is a lot more profitable than Dero at this moment in time. So I am going to just leave that going for a little bit, and then I'll go ahead and update you guys when you guys would like to see that. If you'd like to know more information, exactly what I'm mining at the specific moment in time, so you can know my strategies and things like that, then make sure to join the channel as a channel member, as this will give you just a little bit more of an insight exactly to what I'm mining that I haven't posted in the video. So I'm able to just pop a little post and say, hey guys, I've jumped onto this is what I'm doing at the moment, or make a really, really quick short for you guys instead of having to go for a full video. So if that is something that you are making sure that you want to know and be in the news straight away, then make sure that you join the channel as a channel member, and we'll go ahead and make sure to update you guys in there as well. Okay. Right guys, so that was my update on my Dero mining. As I mentioned, make sure that you update your IP address to make sure that you're mining to the correct pool address, and then also as well make sure that if you have missed any payments or anything like that from Dero, then get into the Discord and start speaking to some of the devs and just hopefully try to get some of those things resolved. As I say, I haven't gone ahead and done that yet, but I don't really care about chasing around the 30 cents. But like I said, it can build up over a period of time, so make sure you are going ahead and grabbing those type of things. I personally, do want to try to move on to something where I've got a pool that I can see exactly how much I've earned and track all that, and I know they have said that is on their list of things to do, so fingers crossed that they do get that done as soon as possible. And if they do, that's going to be absolutely great. And also as well guys, just before I do end the video here, I do want to say as well that if you are new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe. I will be doing regular content on CPU mining, GPU mining and things along those lines, and if that is something that you would like to see and see going in the future, then make sure to drop subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can see more in the future. Peace.